In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pivot table in Zoho Analytics. Whether you're new to Zoho or just looking to enhance your data analysis skills, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can navigate the platform with confidence and ease. To start off, let's open the workspace that contains the data you want to explore. This workspace is your home base within Zoho Analytics, acting as your central hub where all your data tables reside. Make sure you're in the right workspace, because this is where the foundation of your analysis will take place. Once you're there, you'll notice a range of options designed to help you visualize your data effectively. Now, direct your attention to the Create option, which is readily available on your screen. You'll either see it as Create, followed by Pivot View, or as New, then New Pivot View, depending on your workspace setup. Clicking this opens the Pivot setup, which is your gateway to the exciting world of data exploration through pivot tables. It's a critical step where you begin transforming your raw data into meaningful insights. Following that, a dialog box will appear, presenting you with a chance to select the base table you wish to use. This choice is vital, because the base table will form the foundation of your pivot table, determining what data you're going to analyze or present. Take a moment to ensure you're selecting the correct table, as this will influence the kind of analysis you'll be doing. Once you've made your selection, simply click the OK button to proceed. And there you have it. You've successfully initiated the creation of a pivot table in Zoho Analytics. It's a simple yet powerful tool that, once mastered, can greatly enhance the way you process and interpret data. By leveraging pivot tables, you can summarize large sets of data with just a few clicks, make comparisons, and uncover patterns that might not be immediately evident. As we wrap up, here's a quick tip to remember. Always check that your data is clean and well organized before diving into pivot tables. This ensures that your insights are accurate and reliable, making your analysis work truly valuable. With practice, creating and manipulating pivot tables will become second nature, opening up a world of possibilities for data-driven decision-making in your projects. Thank you for joining me today in this tutorial. I hope you found this guide useful and that it's encouraged you to explore the depths of Zoho Analytics with a curious and analytical mindset. Keep practicing, and soon enough, you'll be handling pivot tables like a pro. Until next time, happy analyzing.